drowning in leads and losing track of clients. Let's turn that real estate chaos into a well-oiled machine with the power of Kvcore CRM. Log into your Kvcore account. The dashboard is your command center overview of leads, tasks, and updates. The Smart CRM tab is the heart of contact management. Add contacts manually or import leads from a CSV file. Click on a contact to view their profile, add notes, track website activity, and assign them to campaigns. Track leads with custom stages like new lead, active prospect, under contract, and closed. Kvcore's email and text tools are your best friend. Craft personalized emails using templates and schedule automated follow-up sequences. Access these communication features under the Marketing tab. Create drip campaigns, send mass emails, and set up automated text messages. Kvcore provides detailed reports on your key metrics. Find these reports under the Marketing tab. Optimize your strategies and close more deals with Kvcore CRM. You can streamline your real estate business, manage your clients effectively, and unlock your full potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tech tips.